Hi, this is Bailey Riley, and this is my perspective speech, and here's my audience. I'm going to be talking about why we need to drink water and why everybody should drink more water. Our body is made up about 70% of water, which we all learned that in grade school, so it's not new news to anybody. But what we don't always know is that every organ, every tissue, every piece of cell that we have, they all need water to move and to make us who we are. And because our body always is losing water and gaining water, we need to make sure we're always replenishing that enough. Whenever we work out, we sweat. Whenever we're just outside in a hot sunny day, we start sweating. Whenever we go use the restroom, we're losing some part of that water. So we always need to replenish it. Or we could get dehydrated. Dehydration has very serious effects. Of course, you always feel more thirsty. You have a dry mouth, cotton mouth is what some athletes call it whenever they're running and their mouth feels all dry and you get a little white around it. You are more tired and you are sleepy all the time during the day whenever you are dehydrated. And your skin can even start to appear to be dry. So those are the effects of dehydration and why you should stay away from it, because we don't want to look like an old wrinkled up person. And the benefits of drinking good water is you can actually start to use weight loss. So whenever you replace anything that you were drinking before with any tea, which are actually dehydrants, any types of Cokes or sugary beverages, the water will take away the tiny sugar like other beverages do. Even though they're not as tasty, you can always add Crystal Light or anything like that to add more flavor. And drinking more water is just overall more healthy. It's good for your body, it's good for your skin, it's good for every part of you, and there really is there's nothing wrong with drinking too much water. And the more water you drink equals the more energy that you have. The more energy you have, the more you can do with your friends, your family, any children that you have, or anything that's relating to your job or work. Water also cleanses your body of any toxins that you have. So whenever people go on some sorts of diets or some kind of cleanse, the more water you drink, the more you can release those bad toxins out of your body and out of anything else that might be affecting the way you are and doing anything that's affecting your body like in a negative way. And so I'm going to give you a few tips and methods to why you should to help you drink more water in your daily basis or anything like that. So first of all, it's so much easier to drink water if you're constantly carrying a water bottle. And you can get a big water bottle, you can get a small water bottle. Preferably, I like the big ones because you don't really run out as fast and you don't have to refill it as much. And since we all have phones, we all are very electronically advanced nowadays, and setting a reminder on your phone is always an easy way to remind yourself that you need to drink water. Drinking 8 ounces every hour, drinking some sort of anything that you want, that you personally set your goal for, is always the best way to do that. We have apps nowadays that you can track your water intake, actually. So by doing that, you can just tell yourself if you set a goal. The app will remind you if you have not reached that goal by that certain point in time, or if whatever is happening right there, it lets you know, and then you always a constant reminder as well. Substituting water for any of the drink is just another way that you can drink more water by not drinking any Dr. Pepper, any Coke, any juices. You get the water right there, and there's already part of your goal. And also, the more you exercise, the thirstier you are. Shocker. So exercising is good for you, and it is good for you to be more thirsty, to drink more water, which you benefit in the long run. So thank you for listening to my speech, and here's my audience.